These fairy lights are so whimsical in our garden. They just add such a fun element by being these cute little round lights that you can either just stick in the garden as is and kind of have them plume out, or you could even stick them in a bush and kind of bring that extra element of light to some of your shrubbery. They are super easy to put together. You just take the topper and add it to the stake, and then they're ready to go in the ground. And then each strand with a light on it actually has wire in it. So they come to you flat, but then you can choose to bend it down in any direction that you want. And since each light is on a wire, they actually bounce and move around in the breeze, which is also really fun. And then they each have a solar panel. So wherever you end up putting them, just make sure that that panel can absorb the sunlight. And there are two modes. You can have them be solid, or there's a little switch on the bottom that you could switch to flash, which just adds so much more whimsy and movement to your garden. They come in a 2, 4, or 6 pack, and I have the 4 pack. And then I have them in warm white, but they also come in multicolor. These lights are super fun and definitely unexpected in a garden, so I can definitely recommend them.